Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. So today's topic is avoidable 10 common HTML mistakes. Number 1. Never place block elements inside inline elements. By default, an HTML element is displayed as block or inline. Block elements like paragraph, headings, and headers elements construct the structure of the document. Inline elements in these blocks are like anchor and span tags, so you should never put blocks inside the inline elements. Number 2. Missing or incorrect doc type. Doc type defines the document type and HTML version. It is not an HTML tag, but it is an information to the browser about the document type to expect. All HTML documents must start with a doc type, and it is not case sensitive. Older HTML documents. In the older documents like HTML4 or Extensible Hypertext Markup Language, the declaration is complicated because it refers to a document type definition as below. Number 3. Always have the HTML image alt attribute. Alt attribute is required for image text as it describes an alternate text for an image when the image cannot be displayed. The alt attribute provides alternative information for an image if a user cannot view it due to slow internet connection, an error in the source attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. Number 4. Never forget to close HTML tags. When you type an opening HTML tag, remember to always place the corresponding closing tag at the end. For example, here are 3 lines with different opening tag and closing tag. This ensures your HTML pages to work properly on all the browsers while preventing issues arising in your pages. It is important with tags such as division, span, table, table row, and table data. Some tags does not come with closing tag, so just use these tags on their own. Examples including break tag for creating line breaks and image tag for inserting images. Number 5. Do not use line breaks to display list. To show a bulleted or numbered list, you should not use line breaks. You may use unordered list or ordered list tags for this. Number 6. Structure the page correctly with proper tags. A division can work the same as a span or a paragraph tag, but it is important to understand which one is to be used. These are just examples. There are many others like the link tag and the hyperlink tag. Once you know the difference, you will know which one should be used at a particular part of the page. Number 7. Do not use bold and italic tag for bolding and italicizing text. Bold and italic tag are used for bolding and italicizing text, and they are classified as presentational text. So, it's good to use CSS properties, font weight, and font style for these purposes. If practicality dictates to apply the styles on the document, you may use strong and emphasize instead as their functions are the same as bold and italic but are semantically correct. Number 8. Insert HTML comments reasonably. To make your HTML code clearer for all, you can add comments to your code. These are snippets of code that are ignored by the web browsers, so they are useful for adding short notes and reminders within the code. For example, this is a command, this is a paragraph. Remember to add more information here. These are the example of commands. Number 9. Do not use multiple line breaks. The line break tag should only be used to insert single line breaks in the flow of paragraph text to knock a particularly word down onto a new line. It shouldn't be used to make gaps between elements. Instead, split the text into separate paragraphs or adjust the margin styled by CSS. Number 10. Use widths and heights for HTML images. It's a good idea to specify the width and height of an image while using an image tag. Here is an example. The advantage of doing this is to help the browser to format the page quickly while loaded, as it knows how to lay out the images before they have been downloaded, meaning visitors can start surfing our page without having to wait for all the images to display. Most graphics packages like Photoshop, Paint Shop Pro allow you to view the width and height of an image in pixels so that you can slot the values into the image tag. You can also right-click on the image and select Properties or view the image in a window on its own and read the width and height in the title bar.